Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you this Galaxy Glow solar powered color changing LED globe. It was contacted by this company right there if they asked me if I can take a look at their product, so here it is. Brought this at the Home Goods for $8. I was reason why I have to pick this up because if I pick the underwater light show again, then I already reviewed it in the previous video a long time back. So I brought this today, Home Goods. Has color changing, 100% solar powered, floats, waterproof, remote control. Perfect for pools, patios, and outdoor decor. Says the same thing. Different pictures. Okay, on the back. Pause if you want to read all this. Here it is. Let's open this up real quick. Now, it came dead again in the box, so just an unboxing video. First of all, you got the remote control. Okay, remote control. We can just get this remote control out, see how it looks. Here it is. It comes with a CR2032 lithium battery and the globe itself. This is a pretty nice build quality. Pretty big. Nice build quality on this. Super big. Now, it comes with, turn the brightness up a little bit on my tablet. Okay. Comes with instructions for Galaxy Glow. Batteries must be charged before use. No lights, recharge product. On position select. This is the troubleshooting I was talking about. I don't know how to warranty on it. Product will turn automatically at dusk, even as being turned off for the previous day. Make sure. Okay, for the remote control. Oh, first to do is let me go ahead and turn this on. I need to check if this has power in it. Okay, I'm putting this in the dark room to see what I can do. And, watch what happens here. No juice. So always came dead in the box. Let me check the on-off switches in the on position right or not. Okay, I'm gonna let it charge. Unfortunately, no juice on this one. Outdoor decorations. The game, the Fun Solutions people, this is a defective project. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'm feeling that it always came dead in the box. That's not a good sign. So, in the meantime, let me go and remove the pull tab on the remote. There we go. And, you press the button. The light lights up. Okay, I'm gonna let it charge up. This is an unboxing video of it, but I'll show you it in use turning it on later. So, let me put that outside. Again, that's copyright, so they're gonna be commenting me on this. Okay, I'm gonna let it charge up for the rest of the day and see what I can do. No juice on this one? Good deal. So, anyway, hope you enjoy this video of my game, The Fun Solutions People. Galaxy Glow, solar powered, LED color changing globe. Once again, I really do hope you enjoyed, and also please comment, rate, share, and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.